So guys, in today's video, we want to talk about discovering an arbitrage opportunity and escorting arbitrage opportunity. So the important thing in this video is not all about discovering the opportunity. What really matters is that can you truly escort these opportunities? This is what we'll be discussing in this video. So pay close attention and listen and watch this video from beginning to last end, okay? So before I continue, I want to add a disclaimer to this video you are watching right now. This video is strictly for educational purpose only. It's not a financial advice. So I encourage everyone watching this video right now to make your own researches thoroughly before you implement whatever informations you see in this channel. So let's get started, guys. As you can look at my screen right here, this says executable opportunities. These are the kind of opportunities you can be able to trade. Now, let me click on raw, okay, because I am using NexusTrade. So some of you ask me, what is NexusTrade? NexusTrade is a tools platform that gives
you have a cross-exchange arbitrage opportunity.
All right, I'm aware that I have an opportunity. As you can see, it's only on NexusTrade that you can see a genuine opportunities. Okay, I'm not trying to promote this platform, but I am trying to tell you that this is what I use. Okay, so NexusTrade is just a tool that help you, discover executable opportunities, well filtered. Everything has been filtered properly, has been well filtered.
Hello, Sodman. You have an AI prediction opportunity.
Yes, ma. I'm aware that I have it.
Hello, Sodman. You have a cross-exchange arbitrage opportunity.
So right now, I'll be showing you the difference between executable opportunities and just raw opportunities. And these differences are what these arbitrage scanners are using to scam you. So NexusTrade is going to expose those things right now. So now you can see executable opportunities. I'm going to click on view and thread, sorry. So right now you can see that everything right here is green, apart from the market fingerprint, which is 50%, and it is good to go. All right. So if you discover opportunity like this, it's likely that this opportunity will last for a very long time. Sometimes 1 day, 2 days. It all depends on the market condition. See opportunity 1.05. Some of you will look at it that this opportunity is not profitable. No, some of them are profitable, but what really matters is the capital. Your trading capital is really matters. Look at this estimated profit right here. You can see with 50 USDT, this is the profit that the user is going to be getting if you are using 50 USDT. So with 100 USDT, this is the amount the trader is going to be getting after fee and every other things right here. So you see that people who really aim more on crypto arbitrage are people with a high trading capital, which you can see right here. So these are one of the major advantage or disadvantage for beginners who don't really have enough capital to trade on arbitrage, because it's very rare to see arbitrage opportunities that you can do with 10 USDT, 20 USDT, 50 USDT. So sometimes some of all those opportunities you see with those kind of amount, they are not really opportunity, they are not escortable. I'm not saying that you cannot see it. I'm not trying to say that you cannot find such opportunities, but I'm trying to let you know that it's very hard to see such opportunities that you can do with 10 to 20, 30 USDT. The profit will be very low after fees and every other thing. You can still see them. Now, I will show you the kind of opportunity that you see in ordinary crypto scanner or crypto arbitrage scanner. Now, this is escortable opportunities. Every opportunity you see on NexusTrade with this label or this badge, escortable, just go and trade it. Is re-escortable as long as the price has not changed, as long as the opportunity is still there. So right now, let's click on this and see. So right here, you can see this is raw arbitrages. This is raw arbitrages, and this is where some of these arbitrage scanners, they don't differentiate all these things. And if you don't know, you might lose your money in the process of trading. That's why NexusTrade makes sure that these kind of things will not happen to NexusTrade users. Now look at right here. Now you can see this is the kind of arbitrage that the YouTubers or any other person can come and tell you that you can do it with even $1, $2. Now if you open it, the Opportunity look very attractive, very catching, but when you scroll down right here, you can discover that there's something really missing right here. You can see it said price sanity is suspicious because for this price to have this amount of profit percentage, something is wrong somewhere. All right. So he said suspicious price with no verification, contract, trust, assets. Okay. This is between KuCoin and Messi. This is between KuCoin and Messi. Right? Whenever time you spot an opportunities, the first thing you should do is to first of all check if you can be able to withdraw or transfer or deposit that asset. Don't just go and start calculating the price if the price is still there. What really matter is deposit and withdrawal. So after that, you can now check if the arbitrage is still available. Right now, I'm going to click on assets. Okay, so I'm going to click on fund because we are buying the esports from KuCoin and selling Messi. So what I'm going to be doing is click on send, then I click on withdraw, then I click on esports. So this is it here. It said Yodo Games, so I'll use this one, Yodo Games. So let's check the contract address. Let's check on the network, which is very important. So the network is PIP20, which is BNB Smart Chain Network. Now go back to Messi and click on deposits. Let's do that. So on Messi, we click on wallet. Then I will quickly click on deposit. So we are choosing on chain deposit. So I'm going to type the esports, which is here. Now you can see that NexusTrade doesn't lie. You can see that this arbitrage is truly legit. But what is hindering this opportunity is because the deposit is suspended. So you can no longer trade this opportunity because it is suspended. That's why you see the price sanity was so high, and NexusTrade AI spotted it and signified it to users. All right. In this NexusTrade, you can now see that the NexusTrade is not a scam, it's a real AI opportunity scanner. Okay, so you can see everything right here. If you close and check the card, you can see right here, it's a contract trusted asset match. You can see it. This is how to know executable and non-executable opportunities. Now, if you want to also confirm if the executable is truly an executable. Now, let's use this one for example. All right, so I'm going to use this one for example. All right, the executable opportunity is no longer there. Let's give it some time. It will discover another one. Now the profit is back again. So what I'm going to do is to use this first one that has 90 to some confidence. Now we are using KuCoin and BitGet. Okay, so I'm going to open my BitGet. So if you check here, you will see that this opportunity is we are buying from KuCoin and selling at BitGet, and you can see the profit percentage right here. So let's see if this platform is actually saying the truth or NexusTrade is lying to his users. So let's do that. If you can withdraw or deposit, so I'm going to click on send, then click on withdraw. So we are typing USDC. Okay, now we are going to check the networks. All right, you can see different kind of networks, so we are going to choose the cheapest one. So we are choosing the cheapest one. So cheapest one here is Sonic. All right, the cheapest one here is Sonic, but sometimes don't go because of it's cheap. Go for the one you know that can be able to deliver faster. So we are going to also check for the deposit side, which is BitGet. Now we are adding funds. So please, before you try to trade, make sure your account is verified. So we are depositing crypto. Now we are typing USDC. Now you can see the other platform also has it. You can see the Sonic we are about to use, which is the cheapest one here. You can see the Sonic right here. Okay, and let's go to the other side. So you can also see the Sonic right here. Now we have confirmed the networks are the same, they match. So if you don't want to use this one, you can decide to use BNB or Polygon, any one that you choose. Polygon is also good because it's also 300. Okay, so you can use Sunana, whichever one you choose is okay. You can use one that can be faster. Now that we have confirmed that the networks and contracts match, what we need to now confirm again is to see if these opportunities are still there. Okay, now you can see this opportunity right here. Okay, we are going to change it because this time around I changed to USDC. Now USDC, you can see we are buying from here. Let's say we want to use 100 euro. Now I'm going to copy this. And let's go to so you can see here we already have USDC and we are selling. Now let's see what really happened here. Let's see the quantity of USDC we have. So right now you can see the profit in euro. You are going to get 2 point something euro. Now you need to, this is just a simulated opportunity. Now let's go back to NexusTrade to check the profit estimate, although price do change. Right here, you can see that NexusTrade is correct because NexusTrade has already subtracted the fees. So if you remove your trading fees from buying and selling trading fees, then you find out that at the end you are making up to 1 point something euro as a profit. So this is how to actually discover a tradable opportunity and untradable opportunity. And where you can get tradable opportunities is on NexusTrade. So guys, what we just did is just a simulated trade. And if you want to do it live, it requires real money. Please make sure to trade with what you know you can afford to lose because cryptocurrency involves risk. Okay? Thank you for watching this video. I would love to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.